So today we're replacing these two bumper brackets. So these are the damaged ones. So these bumper brackets hold the front bumper cover of your Toyota. So easy procedure. It's an affordable item. I'm going to share the link in the description. And it's sold as a set. So let's get this replacement out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
So once you have them off the package, they are labeled for either side. There's an R on one and L on the other one. So this is the left side. So it corresponds with this one. So you don't need any clips. You just push it in. So this part over here clips with this side, and that holds it in. And then this, we'll have it on the other side. So just clip it there. Easy, goes in. And then the rest would just be handled with the bumper. So with that, you just clip the bumper on and it holds it in perfectly. Easy, no expertise needed. The link for the bumper holder or bumper bracket will be in the description. Check it out, and the link for how you can replace, remove, paint your bumper and fender will also be in the description. Check it out. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.